Hey everyone, it's Wells Matera again with an exciting video regarding a trade I took earlier today. I want to share with you the strategy that I actually used to get a 1 to 3. Um, Pretty much what happened with this particular trade, and I'll break it down. I don't know if you guys see my video on the ICT setups between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Go ahead and watch that video. It's on my YouTube channel. It explains the ICT setup strategy um, on that video that I use between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York session. So with this particular session, I was able to get like a 1 to 3. As you can see, the ratio is 1 to 3. Basically, the setup is real simple. All you're going to do is set a line here for 10 a.m. and then a line here for 11 a.m. And then you set a line here, a horizontal line, on the high on the left, so you look left, and then you put a line on the low when you look left as well. So this line is like right here. Okay, so what you're looking for is a break of structure right here. Okay, and then it has to come back and break this line right here that I put here. It's going to break this line. In order to satisfy this, in order to take this trade, two things need to happen. So number one, it's got to break the left structure right here, this high. So it did that over here. So as you can see, it opened up at 10 o'clock. It almost broke it right here, but then it came back in. And then what happened was it broke it right here with this particular candle. So all I was doing right now is waiting for it to pull back and break below here. Okay. And then once it breaks this low, it's got to come back up, right? It's got to come back up. And then it's got to form a fair value gap. So as you can see, this green bar right here, it's a fair value gap. Okay. Now all I have to do with the fair value gap is wait for it to come back and come and touch or come within. See this scale right here? I had to come within the fair value gap, and I was able to place my um actually let me do this here. That's a fair value gap. The trade was placed right at the fair value gap. There we go. And I had to take a and then I, did a ratio of 1 to 3. So this is where it's at. Okay. So as soon as it came back and came into the zone here, where the fair value gap is, because remember, fair value gap is a gap between two candles. As soon as I made that gap right there, and I'll delete it real quick to show you. As soon as I made that gap right here, take this one. I was waiting for it to come back and come close to filling that gap, and it kind of like almost did. So this is where I actually took the trade. And then as you can see, based on the candles, it went up like a 1 to 3. Okay. And that's the ICT silver bullet strategy. So I was able to profit from this particular trade. Let me see if I can show you my account here. This is my account. Okay, taking a $10,000 challenge with funding pips, okay, that I purchased. It comes with two phases. Phase one, I got to go up to $800. Okay, and then phase two, I got to grow up an additional $400. So right now, I've earned $77.27. I got $722.73 to go. It's left here. But this is my chart. Okay, I started this challenge a couple of days ago. Okay, on the second. Okay, and this was my graph. I actually dipped down, had some losses, had some losses, had some losses, and I flattened out right here. Had some more losses and some more losses, flattened out. had some more losses. And then during the ICT 10 a.m. trading session strategy, I was able to grow the account back up to over 10,000. So right now it's $10,077.27. So this is my progress report. Okay. And I'll definitely share progress with you guys as I get closer to, get closer to passing the challenge. So hopefully all goes well. So wish me luck. So I wanted to share that with you guys because that's basically the ICT strategy. Now, this was one setup. So you do this every single day. You look for a setup. This particular setup was really, really a good setup that I was able to capture. So pretty much it started down here. So it almost went above the left structure. It didn't, it came back down. But then right here, that's when it broke the structure right here, right? So all I had to do now is wait for it to come all the way past the low, because it's a high, right? And this is the low. Once it passed the low, which it did right here, right? But then it retraced way down here. So I had to be really patient. So it went all the way down here, and then it came up. Okay, I had to wait for this three candles to develop right here, which is where the fair value gap was developed. So I had to wait for the three candles to develop, and then I had to wait for a pullback within the fair value gap, which is this green bar right here, which it did right here, and then that's when it actually hit my 1 to 3, which is right here, this candle. So I was able to profit out of this particular trading session here. And I'm happy I did because it grew my account back up to $10,070. So yeah, look for these setups between 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. It also happens again at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So I'll be back on here to see if I can find another setup, a trading setup within that hour before the market closes. The market opens at 9:30 and it closes around 4 o'clock. So, hindsight's 2020. Had I kept the trade, I would have still been a profit. But it's okay. It's okay. I was only looking for a 1 to 3. That one of the things is never be too greedy and take your wins as they come, and that way you can prepare for the next trading session, which is 3 to 4. There's also a London session between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. Occasionally do that session as well, but just wanted to share that with you guys. Progress, progress, progress. The more you practice, the more opportunities you can find. And the more opportunities you can find, you can actually take a challenge. I put a link in the description of the challenge company that I'm using. That way, if you guys want to take a challenge, you can go ahead and purchase a challenge. They have challenges for as low as $40. I mean, you can make a $5,000 challenge for less than like $36 or something like that. But this is a $10,000 account, and with a discount, okay, because when you fail a challenge, and I've failed multiple challenges, you get a 10% discount. So this one cost me about less than $60 to get the $10,000 challenge. But as soon as I pass, I'll let you guys know. So with that being said, I just want to share that with you guys today. Yeah, the ICT silver bullet strategy. Once you know what to look for, you can implement the trade and hopefully get a 1 to 3 like I did today. All right, so all right, y'all. I just want to share that with you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends. I'll be doing reviews like this on a regular basis. That way you guys can see what I'm looking at, how you can take action. And, put this in your trading plan as well, so you can take notes and things of that nature. So with that being said, you guys have a great one. Much success to you throughout the week. Happy 4th of July for all those that live in the US of A. And I'll see you guys on July 5th. I'll do another video. Between now and July 5th, I'll be off. The market's closed tomorrow, so there'll be no trading on the 4th. So, but if there's any opportunities in Bitcoin, I'll let you guys know. If I trade on, try to find a setup in Bitcoin. But other than that, yeah, hit the bell button, get notifications when I do videos like this. This was a short and sweet video, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and come back often. Take care and have a great day, everyone.